This is me Anwar and this is my new video for you all. In this video I will teach you how to make a professional table for your document. So before starting the lecture, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. And now let's start the lecture. Open your Microsoft Word document and go to insert menu and go to table. I will show you which kind of table we are gonna to make it. We are making such kind of a professional table, and this one a professional, and as well as this one. Okay, so first make this one. Okay, let's start. So you can see here are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 columns. Don't worry about rows. Okay, so let's start 7 columns. Okay, and like 4 rows. I will increase a little bit size of the row, the table. Okay, then you can see here this one is like a 2 row is merged, so like a row span. Okay, this one and merge cell, click and merge cell. Okay, and then you can see this one A1 2 3 3 columns are merged, so col span. So select these three and merge this one. Okay, and similarly this one, so you can see now. Okay, 3 and 3 and this one, and okay, 1. Then you will select the table and the text will start in the middle. Okay, like I will write here now Provence, and another one is PSLMS, and NEMIS. Okay, so if you want to increase the size of Provence, then you can increase it to 14. Similarly with this one 14, and this one 14. Okay, and after that you can see here ruler, urban, total. So I will copy these, Control C, and I will paste it here, Control V. The text color is white, so I made it black. Okay, so after that you can see it's not still in the middle. If it's not in the middle, then you can click here. So now all in the middle. Okay, so after that the first one, so let make it a little bit more good. Okay, like this, and this one as well, this one. Okay, now it's good. Okay, then copy this text. Oh, it's not copying. Okay, so you can write here Baluchistan. Okay, and then the value like, and this one. Okay, and another one is Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Okay, PK, and copy the same values, Control V. Okay, then come here at the last column, last row, last cell, and then click and tab. Okay, another row will create it in the same, then Punjab, and then I will paste same values, national, and same values. Okay, so now the first two, select this and come to design and come here shadings, then you can select a shading accordingly. Okay, so you will see it will be like the same. You can select, yeah, and then you can give a caption. Select the table and come to references and then click in insert caption and table 1, and you want to show the caption above or below the table. So and professionally above the table and for a figure below the table. Okay, then click OK. Okay, just remove this one, sorry, and you can write this one like, and then you can select, come to home and select the text like 12. Okay, and color. Okay, everything is done now. You can see it's like a good table. If you want some more changes, some more increment, then you can do it, but it's like similar like this one. Okay, so this is enough for today. In our next video I will show you how to make these other kind of professional tables. Okay, so let's tune with us. Thank you so much.